first layer of protection, standing between you and the elements. Water, wind, snow, heat, hail. Mother Nature is relentless. So when it comes to installing a new roof, you want to be sure it will perform. Owens Corning is the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing. With a proven track record, decades of innovation and product development, and a depth of experience and research in material science, in order to deliver a roofing system that can perform as designed and specified. The evidence is in the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System. Layers that help your roof seal, defend, and breathe. The proof is in the performance of Duration Series shingles with SureNail technology. But at Owens Corning, we know you want your roof to look as beautiful as it performs. That's why we're a leader in color, offering a wide range of dramatic hues and classic styles, so you can choose a shingle that will create a stunning first impression from the curb. But one of the most critical steps is choosing the right contractor to install your roof. An Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor can offer our most comprehensive warranty to help protect your investment in the things you care about most.
Hi, I'm Sheldon Murphy, owner and founder of TSM Roofing, and I want to share with you why choosing us for your roofing project is the right decision. At TSM Roofing, we're not just a roofing company, we're a promise of quality and reliability. We believe in using the best materials for your home, which is why we're an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor. Your roof isn't just a layer of shingles over your head, it's a sophisticated system of parts that work together to help protect your home.
Hi, I'm Tyler Murphy, co-owner of TSM Roofing. Our team consists of skilled professionals who know how to do the job right the first time. Your happiness is our success, and we go the extra mile to ensure you're totally satisfied with the results. We take pride in the relationships we build by doing quality work every time. So when it comes to your roof, choose TSM Roofing. We're not just installing roofs, we're building trust. Call us today for a free estimate and experience the TSM Roofing difference.
Choose Owens Corning and an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Contractor.